Welcome to the Dakota Apartments here in Jupiter, Florida. I'm Simon Karim, and today I'm taking you on a quick tour of one of Abacoa's premier luxury communities. If you've been looking for upscale living with modern comfort and style, you're going to love this place. At the Dakota, you'll find one, two, and three bedroom apartments and townhomes, all designed with open layouts, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and full size washers and dryers. Every home includes a private balcony or patio, plus hurricane impact windows for comfort and peace of mind. Outside your front door, enjoy a resort style pool and spa, a modern fitness center, and beautifully landscaped outdoor areas. And yes, the Dakota is pet friendly, with up to three pets allowed. Living here means being part of the vibrant Abacoa community. You're minutes from Roger Dean Stadium, scenic golf courses, and Jupiter's stunning beaches. When it's time to eat, try Guanabanas, the Woods Jupiter, Charlie and Joe's at Love Street for an evening with unbeatable inlet views. For the outdoors, explore Riverbend Park for kayaking and trails, Dubois Park for family fun, and Lighthouse Park for peaceful ocean views. You'll also love being close to Harbourside Place for waterfront shopping and dining, plus local spots like Driftwood Plaza and Jupiter West Plaza for everyday essentials. Families will appreciate nearby schools, Lighthouse Elementary, Independence Middle, and Jupiter Community High. Rents start around 2,300 for a one bedroom, with larger homes in the low 3,000s. For luxury amenities, a prime Jupiter location, and the Abacoa lifestyle, the Dakota truly stands out. Call or text me at 5617-040091 or visit simoncancel.com to schedule your tour today.